Hello everybody, welcome to day 10 of the saw restoration. Today is a good day because, look at this. This is the blade. Et voila, I made a new one. And now it has enough material down here to have this extra triangle, to have the handle looking super smooth, and everything will fit perfectly together. So how did I get this material? It's a proper knife steel. It's even better than the one I had previously. Yeah, usually I'd have to tell my friend I need another one, and then he can get one on Monday, and then I probably have it on Monday evening or on Tuesday. But I was able to organize one today. So first I was still trying. I came to the shop today. My idea was to yeah, pretty much customize the brass part so it will fit, but I couldn't really get it to fit. Otherwise I would have to remove way too much material. Yeah, I wanted to customize this shape, but I had to remove way too much material to make this possible. So yeah, then I wrote to my friend the, yeah, just make it this clear, the hardening oven. I think I told it yesterday, but I'm not sure, so I'm going to tell it right now so it's all clear. So the hardening oven where I can harden the blade on Monday is at my previous boss's place at home. So he has a hardening oven, but it's not his, it's his brother, because his brother is a, yeah, he makes he's a knife maker as a hobby. He's also a mechanic like I am, but he makes knives as a hobby. So I told him, yeah, maybe I have to, yeah, maybe I think I can't harden the blade on Monday because I don't have the material then. So, but I'll keep him updated about my decision. So I will tell him later today if I'm going to customize the brass part and use this blade, or if I'm decide to make a new blade, and then I can't harden the blade on Monday when I just received the new material from Monday. And then he said, hey, I'm in your town actually, and he has a meeting of knife makers from Switzerland, central Switzerland. They have a meeting today and tomorrow in my town. It's like 5 minutes by foot. So he said he's there, and one guy is selling proper knife steel there, and I go, no way. And yeah, that's how I got this material right here. So I'm going to show it to you. I've stored it up here. Oh yeah, I found this one as well. This one says it says Federstahl. That means spring steel, but it's not actually spring steel. It's like a stainless steel that you can harden, but it has not that much carbon, I think it's called. Yeah, not too less carbon, so it doesn't get very hard after hardening. So I found this one, and I asked him, hey, does this material work as well? And he said, it's not that good, but hey, I'm there at that meeting and one guy is selling steel. So that's this piece. So 2 millimeter thick, what I need. He sold multiple thickness, all the same dimension. So 50 by 1000, that means 50 millimeters wide and 1000 millimeters long. So that's 1 meter, 2 millimeters thick. Cost me $20, pretty cheap, I'd say. Well, I'll probably pay 100 for it if I can get it today. So I'm very happy. So the price didn't matter at all. So yeah, I cut out one piece I need with the angle grinder. That worked very well. Yeah, and then I started to mill it. So it was pretty much the same as on this one. On this one I just milled the surface clean with an end mill and then turned the head around on the milling machine and cut all the teeth. Right here I just made a step first. So this step from this surface and to the top of the tip of the teeth is 4 millimeters deep. So I just milled that 4 millimeters deep, and then I cut the teeth like on this. So it's pretty much the same. But yeah, now I have the extra material here. First I thought I'm going to mill this angle right here as well, but that will be so easy to grind off on the bench grinder on the belt. Yeah, that's it. I already filed every teeth clean. So let me try to show that to you. I didn't file that clean on this blade because obviously I realized that this piece here was missing before I would continue to work on it. Yeah, you can see the marks from the milling, and on this side, on this blade, yeah, you can see that. You can see now the marks from the file. So it's super sharp. It's super sharp. Also, did this on the other surface of the teeth, so the edge is now super sharp. You can see there is still a kind of a burr on this one. Yeah, you can see it on this teeth right here. Very good. And pretty much all the teeth have a little bit of a burr there on the tip. That's just normal from the milling. But yeah, this one is now nice and clean. Yeah, next step will be cut off this line, and then first I wanted to do this with a file, but filing such long pieces that are longer than the jaws of the vise is going to be, yeah, you have to make them in two steps, like clamp it here and do this, and then clamp it here and do that, and to make it like a proper surface is going to be difficult. So I'm just going to cut it off with the angle grinder and then line it up on the milling machine again and just mill that surface clean in one go, and yeah, that will then be absolutely perfect. Then I can make this little radius here on the tip. These two angles, I really have to be careful then that the shape will be absolutely perfectly even like this part. Yeah, just thinking about maybe I should drill the holes first and then take off this material, because if I would make the shape first and then drill the holes and they don't match 100% and it's a little bit turned, then yeah, you'll see the problem. But if I make the holes first, and then I can work the shape like from the holes. So I could then fix this part with 2 pins, and then I have the exact shape I need to make. That's a good idea, I think. Probably going to make it like that and use it. Yeah, and to drill these 2 holes, I will use this part as a guide. It's not that good of a guide because it's only like 2 or 3 millimeters thick, so it's not really guiding the drill. So maybe I'm going to drill a thicker guide first. That would work, and then put it on this. But yeah, that's just minor things that techniques and different stuff that you can make. Yeah, this is the sketch I made. I first made a drawing, so I want to be 100% sure that I have everything right now, so I don't have to make a third one, hopefully. Oh yeah, I cut out the sketch of the handle. I think I said that in one of the earliest vlogs of this project. When I draw the handle, yeah, I think I showed that to you. So this line, the inner line, this one right here, that's the original handle, the shape of the original handle, as you can see. Then I draw this line right here, and then I did some research, and then I draw this line because I saw that these saws have the handle coming down like this, because you use them one-handed, and I think you can, yeah, it helps kind of to push from here with the inside of your hand. When I picked up the wood, he had a similar saw that had the handle shaped like this. So this is, I just drew a line, put this saw on this paper and drew a line around it. So that's the shape of his handle. Yeah, this and this are the same. What do you think about this shape? I don't really like it. I don't think it looks so good. For me personally, I think this line kind of looks the best, has the best aesthetics. I think maybe something in between these two, coming down a little bit more here. What do you think? Which shape do you like? So yeah, let's make it clear. So this is shape A, shape B, or shape C. So I'm tending to make something between B and C. Let me know what you guys think. So tomorrow, it's no Sunday for me. I'm going to keep working on the blade because I want to harden it on Monday. That's my plan. So yeah, we will see another vlog tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.